Boss?
What are you doing here? Just go back inside.
Boss, may kailangan lang po ako sabihin sa inyo.
Go back inside. That's an order.
Boss! Boss, sandali. I'm not here as your secretary. Andito ako para magpaliwanag sa'yo.
You don't have to explain anything. And I told you, I can handle it.
Alam ko. Sa tagal natin magkatrabaho, alam ko rin kung nasasaktan kayo. Ayoko sanang magkahiwalay tayo na mali yung iniisip mo. Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag sa'yo na kaya umiiwas ako sa lahat ng mga parinig mo. Sa panliligaw mo. Hindi yun dahil kay Cyrus. Wala siyang kinalaman dito.
Then, what are you trying to say?
Hindi ko lang kasi naiintindihan yung nararamdaman ko para sa'yo noon. Pero ngayon,
Paano si Ninja Boy?
it doesn't matter. Ikaw ang pinipili ko, Brandon.
I saw the line of 1,000 other dreams coming true. Nervous faces and heart races. Can I come through? Used to dance on my own, but I was all alone. Then I found your new faces. Don't know what my place is when the world was telling me no. You pushed my heart to just go. Now for sure I know. Now here with you, found something new. Through the dark nights, the highlights, you're my lifeline as we take our flight. Let's paint the sky in different lights, holding on to all that we could be. Gonna make it bright. Found something new through the dark nights, the highlights, you're my lifeline as we take our